I don't get it like that. Really, are you clear with the concepts?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Why it take so long for you? I don't know. Okay then. Let me proceed with the gray code. Okay. Gray code, as I have mentioned already, we are during a single bit during a transition, each and every bit there will be a single variation. Okay. In order to increase the speed of the transition, we are going for the gray code, since only it could process only a single bit variation at a time. So that's the main concept. We are going for this. So here, when you could observe the binary number of 7, here you could observe the binary value of 7 is what? 0 1 1 1. Whereas if you write the binary value of 8, what would be the value? 1 0 0 0. So when you observe clearly, all the 4 digits have been reversed. 0 is been changed into 1, and 1 has been changed to 0. Again, 1 has been changed to 0. Sorry. Again, 1 has been changed to 0. But this we don't want this kind of condition, since during a single bit transition we have to process all the 4 bits. So in case of gray code, this will not be the case. Gray code will not go for this. Only it will allow a single bit variation. Okay. I hope you all clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Also, it's benefited for converting unlock data. Unlock we all seen in the first class, since it has n number of infinite values within a single time period itself. So you all know, I hope. Yes, here, this is the gray code representation for the respective binary. 0, 1, all same thing. For the case of 2, here when you observe, for the case of binary 2, you could write, it has to be written like this: 1 1 1 0. Generally, for the case of binary, closely observe, for the case of binary, we will write like this: 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. For the case of binary, for binary we used to write like this. For the case of gray, only a single variation: 0 0 0 1, same thing, but this 2 will be reversed. That's the single thing you have to keep considering. 1 1 1 and 1 0. This will be the case. That's it. Every remaining thing on all, same thing. So when you observe closely, so when you take these 2 digits, so initially 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Again, the third digit now becomes 1 everywhere. Everywhere, if you consider, the third digit will become 1. Now, for the case of 4, what would happen? You will get 0 1 0 0. Whereas for 3 here, when you observe this, what happens? This got varied, and also this got varied, and also this got varied. 3 digit variations were there. So we don't want to have a 3 digit variation at a time. So we need to have a single bit variation at a time. That's why we are taking these 2 digits as same, and we are varying initially. We are giving priority to the zeros, that is units digit, base 0, 2 power 0 and all that kind of unit only we are keep on initially considering. Then we are proceeding to, if this has to be this don't has to be changed, then what would happen? We'll proceed to the next digit, that is tens digit. Then even that has been changed, then we will give importance to the third digit. So this is for the sake of understanding only I have given. So we don't have to write it into the gray code exactly. These are the basic 4 digit values you have to keep considering. So this was the only concept you need to understand, you need to cope up with, since in our future lectures it will be coming around this 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 for the gray code representation of 0 1 2 3. For the decimal value of 0, binary is 0 0, gray is 0 0. For the decimal value of 1, binary is 0 1, gray is again 0 1. Then for the decimal value of 2, this is this variation. Binary representation will be 1 0, whereas gray representation will be what? 1 1. Yes. For the case of 3, it is 1 1, and the binary representation will, sorry, gray representation will be 1 0. Yes. This is the only thing. I'm summarizing this. For the case of binary, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. For the case of gray, it is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Yes, Vishwa?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. So if you want to convert the binary code into gray code, what you have to do is a simple thing, a very basic binary addition you have to perform, but it in some manner. So let me explain that. So what would happen is, initially, if this is the binary code they have given, this has to be converted into gray. This is the gray code representation of the binary. This has to be converted. This is the answer we have to obtain for this respective binary code. So what's the initial process? You have to just take the first digit of this as same as that of. Okay, then next step is nothing but you have to add these two combinations. You need to perform binary addition of these two digits. So what would happen? 0 plus 0 will again 0. Then again the next step is nothing but you have to add these two. Plus what would happen? 0 1, again it is 1. So then again you have to add these two. 1 plus 0, again it is 1. This is the exact conversion of binary into gray. Yes, Vishwa, clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Have you clear? Shriram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then this is the next question. So same thing. Initially, the first digit has to be traversed like this. Same thing. 1. Then next you have to add these two. 1 plus 0 is 1. Again, next you have to perform the addition of these two. 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. Again, you have to perform the addition of these two values. 1 plus 0, it is again 1. Yes, this is the exact gray code representation of the given binary value. Yes. Yes, yes, go ahead.
You said binary to gray, only a single 0 will become 1,
Yes.
or 1 will become 0. But in the last example, two zeros becomes 1, ma'am.
One second. What I'm saying is, if I am switching from 0 to 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Traversing from 0 to 1, then I should have a single bit variation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Here, when you observe this, what's the binary value of this number?
Which number, ma'am?
This one. Binary value of this. Sorry, decimal value of this. This is a binary representation. Decimal value of this is what?
2.
2. Yes. Then, for this, decimal value?
3.
Yes. Here it's 3. So from switching from 2 to 3, you have to have a single bit variation for the case of gray. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. When you observe closely, here you could observe this 0 has been replaced as 1. Here, now. Whereas 1 is shifted as 1 only, 0 is again changed as 0 only, again 0 is processed as 0 only. Yes, we could experience only a single bit variation during this, na? From 2 to 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Previous example, this only, na? You are talking about? Or this example?
This example, yeah.
Okay, then. Okay. By decimal value of this number is what?
0 1 0
1. It's 10. 8 plus
yes,
2, 10 it is. Yes. What about this?
15.
Yes. Or be traversing from 10 to 15 generally?
No, ma'am.
If it's from 10 to 11, you could consider this only, this concept. That is, you would have a single bit variation during from 10 to 11. But this entire number has been changed. This 10 binary value of 10, if we want to represent that in terms of gray code, then the respective value of that will be 15. That may be the case. That may be a case. That won't be the problem. But if you want to shift from a single digit value variation, that is in case of decimal, if you want to shift from 1 to 2, maybe 13 to 14, or maybe 11 to 12, or maybe 21 to 22, or whatever the term. If you want to shift from the decimal value of this values, the 21 to 22, so you have to face a single bit variation during this conversion. Yes? Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Yes. I hope you all clear. Akshaya? Shriram? Yes. Do you have any doubts so far? Yes, I couldn't hear you. Post your doubt in the chat box. Vishwa will help me.
Ma'am, I think she said no. Yeah.
She doesn't understand.
No, ma'am.
No doubts.
Has no doubts. Yeah.
Okay then. Let me proceed. Okay then. Now we have, so far we have seen binary to gray conversion. Yes, we have converted from binary into gray. Then now we are going to convert the value of gray into binary. Yes, gray to binary. Now a single variation of transmission process, that is addition process, we are going to do. So initially the same step, initial bit has been traversed into the gray code conversion, same thing. Then what would happen? The next is nothing but, initially this 0 has been traversed. Now what would happen? Previously we have done these two as additions. Yes. Now my cursor movement, can you observe, Vishwa? No.
Cursor. Only a little bit, ma'am.
Okay then. Okay. Previously we have added these two. Yes, these two combinations. But now we don't. We won't add these two combinations. Here we will add these two as a combination. Okay, yes, that's the single thing. That's the single difference. Sorry for the clumsiness. Okay, here these two will get added. That's it. So now when you add 0 plus 0, what would happen? Again it is 0. Sorry for that. Okay, this is the thing. Sorry for the animation clumsy. Okay then. Initially this 0 will be traversed like this. Then this bit 0, that is the output obtained as a binary, that has to be, the first digit has to be added with the second digit of the gray codes. And when you add these two values, then what would happen? So the again 0 plus 0 is nothing but 0. Then 0 plus 1, it is nothing but 1. Then 1 plus 0, it is nothing but what? Again 1. Yeah, yes, same concept for this too. Initially you have to take the same first digit as a same, so 1 has to be taken as same. Then now for the case of gray to binary, you have to keep that in mind, what we are doing, whether we are converting from binary to gray or gray to binary. If you are converting from binary to gray, B to G, so you may have a gist of this, B to G. Only after B only you may face G in case of alphabet, I hope. Yes. So if that's the case, then you have to convert like this. You have to process the addition process like this. Okay. You just keep that in mind. So you could observe the opposite concept. Yes, Vishwa?
Yes, ma'am.
This thing you could observe clearly. Yes, B to G in sense. So you need to process addition in this manner. That's it. That's a simple thing. Okay then. Now 1 plus 0 will get added. Again you will receive 1. Then again 1 plus 1, it is nothing but 10. Yes, 1 plus 1 is nothing but, you all know it is 10. But we have to write a single digit. For the during the conversion process, you need to take a single digit. Whereas we received 1 plus 1 addition value, we will receive 10 as a combination, 10 as a conversion value, but you need to take the unit digit value. This value only be taken into account. Yes, so that's why we have given the value as 0 only, not 10. Yes, not 10. We are just taking the value 0, since the unit value only we are considering about. So that's why unit value has been taken. Yes, if maybe if you encounter the value, but here the case you don't encounter. If you add 3 values like this, then what would happen? That's a quite complicated case, but you won't face that kind of situation generally. But for the designers, they might face these type of situations. So if what would happen, 1 plus 1 plus 1, they will receive the value of 11. So final value, the unit value only they'll be taking into account. Yes. So, but for you people, you won't face such type of issues. Okay, then. So 0 plus 0, again, it will be 0, you all know, right? The conversion. Have you all clear, Vishwa?
Yes, ma'am.